How to create WhatsApp group without adding contacts. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a WhatsApp group chat with just yourself. No friends, no invites, just you. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important step in this super simple trick. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up your WhatsApp app and head over to the Chats tab. Here, you'll see a plus chat icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see a few options pop up. New group, new contact, new broadcast, and your contact list at the bottom. Tap on new group. Now WhatsApp will ask you to add at least one contact to start the group. Since we're trying to create a group just for ourselves, we'll need to do a little workaround. What you need to do is add a dummy contact or your other phone number and select that dummy contact to add to the group. Now tap next. Give your group a name like personal notes or reminders and hit create. Boom, your group is ready. Now go back into the group chat. Tap the group name at the top. Scroll down to the participants section and remove the dummy contact from the group. And just like that, you now have a solo WhatsApp group with only yourself in it. If this helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and drop a comment if you've got any other WhatsApp hacks you want me to cover. Catch you in the next one.